What's my name going to be? My name. Name. I need to come up with a username. What about like This is hard. It's a good idea. It's a good idea. I can't do it. I can do this. I'm good enough for this. I think I can do this. I don't think I can do this. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? I'm going to be so good at this. It's going to be so much fun. But no one's going to watch and it's just going to be really sad and pathetic. This is hard. There is neither cause nor consequence. Oh, okay, sorry. And the virtue with which they tell it. I can't get through the first paragraph. There is neither cause nor consequence. There's neither cause nor consequence. They are very loud. I'll have to wait for it to shut up. Well, okay, let's try this again. Are you fucking serious? And the virtue with which we credit it in nature. Sorry? Okay. Each shaped by the revolution of which is it. That was going so well. Expanding and accelerating as the player whirls through their revolution. I'm sorry. It started physics. I can't physics. There are vents which ripple down the helix. It may... But you must pick the right moment to join the dance. There are... Beginnings are important. And because beginnings are so important, I'm going to try to read that first paragraph over because I'm so sure that I messed it up so badly. Okay, finally the video is done. All that's left for me to do is press upload. It's a good video. People deserve to see that video. It's such a good video. Such a bad video. What was I thinking? Oh my gosh, why did I create this? Ugh. It's a good video. I worked hard on this video. It's a really good video. People should see this video. This is the stupidest thing I've ever done. I can't believe I actually made this video. This is so dumb. I should just delete it. And just never speak of it again. It's a good video. I worked really hard on this video and I think people are going to like it. Okay, just have to press upload. There, it's done. It's done, it's gone. All I have to do now is wait. What have I done? This is hard. Oh my god.